If your Wicker Park home or business has been affected by fire or smoke damage, don't wait. Immediately call ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons at 855-9-SIMONS. ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons has been Wicker Park's trusted name in fire and smoke damage restoration for over 60 years. As the official ServiceMaster franchise location in Chicago's Wicker Park, ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons provides commercial and residential fire and smoke cleanup services, including wall and ceiling washing, structural cleaning, content cleaning, and odor mitigation. We'll also take care of cleaning and restoring your electronics, fine art, and soft goods, including clothing, bedding, carpets, and upholstery. Don't let smoke, soot, and odor damage bring you down. ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons has the latest in odor mitigation equipment, including ozone machines, hydroxyl machines, HEPA-filtered air scrubbers, and air filtration devices. ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons is an IICRC certified fire and smoke restorer, which means that our technicians are up to date with the latest techniques in fire and smoke mitigation. ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons will work with your insurance company by helping you navigate the insurance claims process. We provide itemized lists, photographs of the affected areas and contents, invoicing, and information regarding your fire and smoke damage. As Wicker Park's trusted name in fire and smoke cleanup, ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons will get your home or business back to pre-loss conditions fast. Don't wait. Call ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons at 855-9-SIMONS or click on our website at ServiceMasterBySimons.com.